Let's send some Instagram DMs on autopilot with Stan. Once you sign up for an account, you'll see auto DM along the side right here, or if you don't see it, click on more and you can turn on auto DMs with this toggle. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll find a link in the description to sign up for a 14-day free trial. You'll then want to connect your Instagram account to Stan. To create a new auto DM, click Create Reply in the top right-hand corner. First, you want to choose a trigger. You have the option to auto reply when someone sends you a DM, including when someone responds to one of your stories, as well as when they comment on one of your posts, or do both. I typically select both and will right now since I'm creating several posts and stories for my latest podcast episode. I don't want to have to create several separate triggers or keyword phrases for every one. The next step is to choose up to 5 keywords or phrases that someone can type to trigger the auto reply. For example, this is for my latest podcast episode, so anyone who shoots me a DM or comments on the post with my guest name Chelsea will receive the message. Then you want to select which post will trigger the automation. Again, I'm creating several posts and stories for the episode, so I'll leave it as on all posts. Now, decide if you'd like it to automatically respond to comments when someone uses the keyword. There are some potential issues when turning this on, and you can learn more by clicking here. You could potentially violate Instagram's automation policies, which means you may receive a warning notification, have your account temporarily restricted, or even permanent account suspension. Instagram could perceive the auto commenting as spam if your response comments are generic or irrelevant, or if there's high comment frequency. To avoid any of these issues, Stan recommends that you use their pre-written auto replies. If you decide to edit them, use appropriate language that seems natural. And if your post becomes viral or receives a high volume of comments, they recommend turning off comment replies. But based on the typical performance of my content, I feel comfortable turning it on. I'll remove the emojis and delete the second sentence of the last reply, but that's just my preference. Next, let's fill out our auto DM message. I'll delete what they have written and write, "Here's the episode with Chelsea. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was after watching." Now we'll want to customize the button with the link to watch the episode on YouTube. I'll copy the link from YouTube, click Add a Link button, paste the link, then write the text that will appear on the button. I'll put Watch the episode. When you're ready, click Publish. Let's see what it looks like from the viewer's perspective. When they're watching the reel, those are howler monkeys. I'm in Costa Rica. When they're watching the reel and comment Chelsea, you'll see it'll immediately send them the DM. The comment reply was also sent, and you can see that here. If you haven't signed up for Stan and you'd like to support our channel, you'll find our affiliate link in the description below. If you use our link, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. To learn how you can run your entire online business with Stan, we have a whole playlist walking you through all of Stan's features. You can watch that up above. If you want to see how auto DMs work with ManyChat, the most popular tool for Instagram automations, watch the video below. And I hope to see you in another video.